to my channel. So today, and the same day that you're watching this, is actually my birthday. So it's my 27th birthday today, so I just wanted to do a fun little makeup get ready with me. We're gonna go all out. I'm gonna try to put on fake lashes, the whole shebang. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. You guys know me by now. I love my Morphe palette. Sherry, do you own any other palettes? Yes, I do. I just so happen to like this one the best right now. But I just live for these shades, guys. I just can't get around them. They're just everything you could ever want. And if you hear heavy breathing in the background, you guys already know my golden retriever is in here. You can probably see him walking around. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my ZO Skin Health Priming and Sunscreen Lotion. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine video yet, I will put it somewhere up in the screen. This stuff is awesome. A little bit goes a long way. Of course, I'm making a mess. What else is new? But yeah, it's just this guy right here. Comes off in like a tan color. We're just gonna fill in our pores. You guys have been loving the fact that I've been able to lay out lately. It jumped right from like winter to summer like it usually does around here. But yeah, so in case you guys were wondering, I'm not really doing anything special today. We're just keeping it chill. My parents are coming over for dinner. We're gonna make dinner, me and my boyfriend, and should be just super chill, super fun. It's gorgeous outside today. It's like sunny, which is my favorite. It's hot, so I'm gonna like make some drinks, sit out on the deck, and just love the new year of life. I mean, I can't complain. I'm healthy, I'm happy. I have everything I need, honestly. It sounds so cliche, but you know, you start to appreciate the smaller things, which are actually the bigger things when you get a little older. And you just don't need to go crazy for your birthday in order to feel super blessed and super lucky. So I'm just going in with these two shades here. Just two light shades to really brighten up my eye. Yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna take a tapered brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with this like chocolate brown color over here first. Let's see. Yeah, these colors are so nice and pigmented, but it's easy to build with these two. But yeah, it's weird times that we're in right now, guys. It's crazy, you know, like, you know, we had a lot of these things that were, you know, taken from us, like, you know, just the privilege of being able to go out and shop, or just, you know, do whatever we wanted, traveling and stuff like that. And once it's taken from you, it's really crazy how you realize you don't need it. But it's also kind of sad because, like, you don't even have the, I mean, you do still have the option. It's just highly looked down upon if it's not like a dire need for you to travel. You're putting others' lives at risk, and it's not considerate. So it's like, it's craziness. It's such a weird time to live in. We're actually gonna take a flat shader brush first, and I'm gonna pick up, what am I about to pick up? Let's go for this shimmery shade here. You know, you need some sparkle in your birthday. I'm just gonna pat that. Sorry, the allergies are just killing my vocal cords right now. Okay, I'm taking that tapered brush again. We're gonna go in with a darker chocolate color. And we're just gonna focus that. And I'm gonna try to flick it out a little bit. Don't worry, we'll clean this up. Don't fret. You can see the progress we have going on here. But yeah, I like how it looks actually. I think I'm happy with that. I think that's good. All right, we are moving on. Hopefully I don't screw this up on camera because pressure's on. Alrighty, we're just gonna go for it. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I'm just gonna edit this part out. Okay, we're gonna have to clean that up a little bit, but not bad, not bad. Usually these two shades right here, this dark one and this brown one, I just spoolie my brows out. I've been loving the look where your brows are like really bushy looking and just like a lot more natural. Sometimes when I do my brows, I take this opportunity to tweeze them. This is usually when I do my brows before my actual eye makeup because it gives you a great look at where you actually need to trim. Guys, I'm so excited because one of my birthday presents for my boyfriend was the 3D crest strips, but it comes with like the LED light thingy so I can whiten my teeth again. Oh my gosh, your girl has hella yellow teeth. Might not show up on camera, but ugh, they could definitely be a lot better. Okay, brows are good. We're just gonna set them in place with some clear mascara. Okay. Now we're gonna curl our lashes. I don't know the last time I did my makeup this extra, but like it definitely feels foreign. Like I feel like I'm supposed to be going somewhere, but you know what? Your birthday, you deserve to treat yourself a little special. If you hear anything outside, my boyfriend is weed whacking and going on, so you might hear that in the background. I apologize. Okay, so I have this Duo lash glue, and it's actually black, which is cool because you don't get like that white goopy glue that some of them come with. I prefer the black because it just blends right in right away. These MUA Makeup Academy lashes here, they are very dramatic, but I'm dramatic. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not the best at lashes. Yeah, it's been a while too, so. Okay. You let them get tacky for about 30 seconds. Tweezers. Don't drop them. It's so hard to do. I'm actually not going to use foundation because I love my skin today. I'm very happy with it. So I'm just going to add some cream blush. This is by Rosie Moran. Oh, I just love how like dewy and pretty this looks. Okay, we're just gonna add some highlighter. I'm just gonna go from that same palette, keep it simple. Take a fluffy brush, grab from this light shade here. We're gonna go down the nose. Swipe on the cheekbones. All right, we're just gonna clean up. I have some Garnier Micellar water here, handy dandy, and we're gonna go in the corners here where I add product. Seal those under eyes. I'm just gonna go in with this palette and take a light shade and a slightly tan shade. The girl has a tan. And just get rid of those dark circles. We're gonna contour. And then we're gonna put on some mascara, just a little bit, and then we're done. I have this perfect brush for contouring, and I just take it into brown shades. We're just gonna contour all of our cheeks. I do the sides of my nose, so if you're clumsy and you know it, drop your brush. Okay, so I take it and I pinch, try to make a straight line, and I just go down my nose. My nose in pictures, it just makes it look so much straighter. And I do have freckles too that like stand out, so I don't sell freckles, I actually have freckles. And then I like to take a little brush and just kind of like give myself kind of like a more of a button looking nose. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the final look. It was a lot of fun to do and definitely a great way to spend my birthday. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some selfies probably. Can't waste this makeup. And yeah, if you guys have not already, please subscribe. I would love it if you stuck around. We have a lot more content coming your way and I would love to have you. And yeah, until I see you guys in my next video, bye.